Today, we're diving deep into advanced Git concepts, a distributed version control system essential for modern software development. Unlike centralized systems, Git mirrors the entire codebase and its history on each developer's machine, offering significant advantages. This allows for offline work, faster operations, and eliminates reliance on a single point of failure, enhancing development flexibility. Git was created by Linus Torvalds in 2005 for Linux kernel development and has since become the de facto standard for version control. Beyond basic commands like commit, push, and pull, Git offers advanced features that enhance collaboration and efficiency. These powerful tools include rebusing, bisecting, and cherry picking, which are crucial for maintaining a clean project history. Rebusing integrates changes from one branch into another by moving commits from a feature branch onto the base branch, creating a linear history. This differs significantly from merging, which preserves the history of both branches and introduces a merge commit. Rebusing is ideal for catching up with commits, integrating the latest changes from another branch into your local feature branch. It's also excellent for cleaning up commit history, as interactive rebusing allows you to edit, squash, reorder, or delete commits. This process helps create a more logical and understandable commit history before merging, especially for private branches. A key best practice is to avoid rebusing public history, as it can cause confusion and conflicts for other developers. Instead, rebase frequently to keep your feature branch up to date by regularly integrating changes from the latest main branch. Always use interactive rebase for local cleanup before merging to ensure each commit is focused and meaningful. Next, let's explore Git Bisect, a powerful tool for identifying the exact commit that introduced a bug or issue. It uses a binary search algorithm to efficiently narrow down the range of commits, making debugging much faster. You provide a good commit where the bug doesn't exist and a bad commit where it does. Git Bisect then automatically checks out commits between these points, asking you to mark each as good or bad until the problematic commit is found. The process starts with Git Bisect start, followed by marking a known bad commit with Git Bisect bad. Then, mark a known good commit using Git Bisect good commit hash. Git will check out a commit in the middle, test the code, and mark it as either good or bad. Repeat this process until Git identifies the exact commit that introduced the bug, then reset the session with Git Bisect reset. Now let's discuss Git cherry pick, which allows you to select specific commits from one branch and apply them to another. Unlike merging or rebusing, cherry picking applies only the targeted commits, offering precise control. This is incredibly useful for applying hotfixes when a critical fix is needed in a production branch while development continues elsewhere. It's also perfect for backporting bug fixes from a development branch to a stable or release branch. Furthermore, cherry picking helps in extracting specific commits, integrating particular changes from a feature branch without merging the entire branch. The git cherry pick command copies the content of selected commits and creates new commits in the target branch. This maintains the integrity of the commit history while applying only the necessary changes. Finally, let's discuss commit hygiene, the practice of maintaining a clean, manageable, and understandable Git repository. This is achieved through well-structured commits and clear, descriptive commit messages. One best practice is to ensure atomic commits, where each commit represents a single, self-contained change. Always write meaningful commit messages in the imperative mood, explaining the purpose of the commit clearly. Commit often to save progress and reduce the risk of losing work, but ensure each commit addresses a single purpose. Crucially, test before committing to prevent broken commits from entering the codebase. Use branches effectively for new features and bug fixes, rather than directly on the main branch. Finally, squash noisy commits like fixed typo or missed file before merging to keep your history readable and clean. By following these practices, developers can create a Git repository that is easy to navigate, understand, and maintain. This improves collaboration, simplifies debugging, and streamlines the entire development workflow. Mastering these advanced Git concepts and commit hygiene will significantly elevate your development skills and project quality.